Hey, did you know that brokers without a CRM spend up to 40% more time on administrative tasks, leaving less time for client engagement and sales? Studies show that nearly 60% of insurance brokers struggle with manual data entry, missed follow ups, and disorganized client information. With thousands of policies to manage, how do you keep track of renewals, claims, and customer interactions without missing a beat? Here's where CRM comes into play. Customer relationship management is a game changer for modern insurance brokers. But why is it crucial today? Let's break it down. Traditional methods are outdated. Brokers face multiple challenges daily: scattered customer data, follow up delays, compliance issues, and lost sales opportunities. Handling policy renewals manually can lead to critical delays, causing customer dissatisfaction and financial losses. With increasing competition and customers demanding instant responses, staying ahead without technology is nearly impossible. A recent survey found that 75% of insurance clients expect faster service, and those who did not receive it are likely to switch to another provider. Here, a CRM comes into action. A CRM isn't just a database, it's your digital assistant. Here's how it revolutionizes insurance brokerage. All customer information, policies, claims, interactions stored in one place. No more digging through emails or files. Everything you need is at your fingertips, helping you provide seamless service. Never miss a renewal again. Automated reminders keep you proactive, ensuring customer retention and maximizing revenue. Plus, intelligent lead tracking helps you close deals faster by identifying high priority prospects. Data security and compliance are top priorities in the insurance sector. A CRM ensures secure storage, regularity, compliance, and easy audit trails, keeping your brokerage safe from penalties. With built-in encryption and user access controls, client data remains protected. A CRM helps you deliver personalized service with AI-driven insights. By analyzing past interactions, claim history, and preferences, brokers can offer tailor-made insurance plans, building stronger client relationships. But, not all CRMs are built for insurance brokers. That's where InsureSmart CRM, powered by Agentforce, comes in. Designed specifically for insurance brokers, InsureSmart CRM offers AI-driven lead capture, ensures brokers never miss opportunities, while automated follow-ups boost conversion rates. Smart quoting tools generate accurate quotes in minutes, streamlining the sales process. Automated reminders and renewal tracking eliminate missed renewals, ensuring 100% client retention. AI-powered claims automation speeds up settlements, reduces manual work, and minimizes error. Policy management becomes effortless with automated updates, compliance checks, and document handling. Seamless customer onboarding with e-signature support and instant verification enhances the client experiences. A 24/7 self-service portal empowers clients to manage policies, track claims, and make payments anytime. Smart financial tracking automates invoicing payments, matching, and ensures compliances. Advanced analytics provide real-time insights, helping brokers optimize performance and forecast revenue effectively. We believe by now you have a clear idea of why switching to a CRM is crucial for your insurance broking business. But if you're still in doubt, contact us. We'll help you navigate the transition seamlessly. Ready to transform your insurance broking business? Get started with InsureSmart CRM today. Visit www.cloudanalogy.com to book your free demo. Experience firsthand how technology can take your insurance brokerage to the next level, because modern insurance demands modern solutions. Join thousands of insurance brokers who are already reaping the benefits of smarter, faster, and more efficient insurance management. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.